Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gabriella Elena if you don't know already, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. We just became best friends. So for 2019, I decided I'm gonna make a New Year's resolution and stick to making YouTube videos at least once or twice a week. I'm gonna try. We got this. As you can see from the title, I went from being bald to my natural glamorous headscarf attire. You feel me? That's one of my most popular looks on the gram. I got a lot of DMs asking, Gabby, how do you do that? Because you guys know I wear a lot of wigs, I do a lot of natural styles, and I love anything that involves hair. Now, I'm not the best at it. I know how to do my hair. I can't do anybody else's, but you know, I can show you and we could be great together. You feel me? Right, so first things first, you're gonna want to get a hairpiece. You know, the ones with the clips right here. And the ones that just attach. And you guys can literally get any texture that you want. This is the one that I wore in my picture. And it's so curly, it's so afro. But today I'm gonna do a different texture because I want a more looser curl. And I got these from my local beauty supply store. Let me see. The brand is called S&G Hair. Shake and go. Because you literally shake it and you go. All you're gonna need is your centimeter hair. Because you guys know I'm bald, an inch or a centimeter. Just to make sure that it can clip. You can also add bobby pins. But for me, it's really secure with the scarf and the little pieces in here. But it's all up to you. You're gonna wanna make sure the drawstring is all the way down. It's super tight. I like to do, I clip it, not clip it, what are you talking about? I put it in, right in the center, and then I add the front part right to the front of my head. So it's gonna look like a little ponytail like this. We're gonna get our scarf. This is my favorite scarf right now from Cece's Closet. It looks like this. And we're going to, I'm gonna fold it in half. I'm gonna, you know, flip that over. And right in the back, you can see me? In the back, I'm gonna lay it right on top. Gonna come right in the front. Pick the hair up. I'm going to pick the hair up like so. So it's gonna look like this. And I'm going to tie it in the back. Like so. So I just slide it up just a bit. And then what I like to do here is just literally, I'm just going to stuff it right underneath. What I like to do is stuff the extra right underneath there. And fold the extra over so it doesn't look too bulky. You know, got a cool little natural pineapple look. You can go even higher. Keep it like that, girl. Keep it cute. Put it to the side. And it's a look, darling. I love this style because it's so easy. It's a look. And people's like, I love your hair. And they don't even know that it's fake. You feel me? Thank you much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye.